So, there's this new Japanese energy company, PowerX, and its upcoming IPO is a real puzzle.
On one side, they've got a massive order backlog. We're talking over 41 billion yen.
But on the other, the company has been losing money for 4 straight years.
So what's the deal? A future giant or just a flawed startup? Let's dig in.
To really get PowerX, you first have to understand Japan's bigger energy strategy.
See, Japan imports most of its energy, so keeping the grid stable is a huge deal.
The government's new plan is all in on massive battery storage. And that's the big opportunity.
So, where does PowerX fit in? What are they actually building to solve this problem?
Well, they do pretty much everything themselves, from design and software to building and operating.
And that made-in-Japan approach, especially the software, it's a huge plus for national security.
Okay, let's circle back to those confusing financials and figure out what's really going on. That scary going concern note? Turns out major banks are backing them with plenty of cash.
And the negative assets, it's not bankruptcy. It's just some paper shuffling before the IPO.
Their revenue looks pretty low, but that's just because most of it lands in the fourth quarter.
So now that we've solved that puzzle, let's look at the deeper, more fundamental risks.
Here's a big one. 100% of their essential battery modules come from a single supplier in China.
Internally, they've got this all-star team, but as they grow fast, they're struggling to work together.
So, how should we think about this investment? What's the best angle? Here's a great metaphor for it. Investing in PowerX is like building a massive dam.
The key point here is that this isn't a quick tech win. It's a long-term infrastructure play.
And since this dam is going to take years to fill, the real question is, can you wait?